Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you stuck at home for more than 4 weeks? Do you love eating spongy, delicious, fluffy cake? So today, let's find our happiness inside of our own kitchen. If you want to learn how to bake a cake with ingredients that are easy to find home, let's begin. For this recipe today, we'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, 6 tablespoons of oil, 3/4 cup of sugar, some vanilla extract or cocoa powder, baking powder and some salt. So today we are going to look at a very simple, easy to make spongy cake recipe. We are going to use 6 main ingredients to do this. We are using all-purpose flour, but if you have wheat flour or almond flour, you can try with that. That works just as well. Instead of butter, we are going to use oil. You can use any type of vegetable oil that you'll find at home. So we have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We have taken 3 eggs, 6 tablespoons of oil, 3/4 cup of sugar. I have also added baking powder to the all-purpose flour. If you do not have baking powder, you can use Eno. To add flavor to our cake, I'm going to use vanilla essence and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. So for this recipe, I'm going to use a big bowl to make our batter. I also have this 8-inch pan to bake the cake. Let's use some additional oil to dust the pan along with some multi-purpose flour. So let me get started by whisking the eggs. So the sponginess of your cake depends on how well we whisk our eggs. So if you want a spongy cake, make sure you do this step right. So while we do this whisking, let's set our oven for about 5 to 10 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Let's start adding our ingredients. Vanilla essence, whisk, 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 oil. Next is sugar. Let's add sugar in batches, not in one go. So the most important ingredient is salt. So I'm adding 1/8 spoon of salt. Let's add our flour now. Whisk it well. Make sure there are no lumps. Just like sugar, I'm adding this in batches, not in one go. You can see the colors changing too. You can see how thick it's become. We're almost there. I think the batter is ready. This is the consistency that I'm looking for. This is how we want it. I think we got it. Now let's prepare our cake pan. So the step 1 is to apply oil. Don't forget the sides. Make sure you apply oil evenly. The second step will be dusting the pan with some flour. This is where we are going to use that extra flour and oil. By doing this, the cake won't stick to the pan. Let's pour in the batter now. Leave a couple of inches for the batter to rise up in the tray. Don't forget to tap the pan on the counter to get rid of the air bubbles from the batter. You can see how the cake has become spongier and the batter has risen. That's why leaving those extra couple of inches in the tray is very important. let's check if the cake is ready or not. You can see the fork has come out clean and dry. That means the cake is cooked. Time to wear your mittens and carefully take out this hot pan out. Let it cool down for about 8 to 10 minutes. Wow, this looks so good. You can see the cake pan has come out clean. You can see the cake is now ready. It's spongy, it's nice golden brown in color. Now you can see the sponginess I promised you when we were whisking those eggs. Wow, looks like we're finally ready to eat. You can serve this spongy cake with scoop of ice cream, berries, chocolate syrup, but unfortunately, I don't have any. Because this is a lockdown, I can't go out and buy things. I'm going to enjoy my cake with good old maple syrup that I got from my Niagara Falls trip. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We also plan to bake more cakes in future, so if you want to learn about that, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. If you want to check out my Niagara Falls video, you can find that here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.